guys, and welcome to Mouthfull, but this isn't any old Mouthfull.
It's an Oscar special!
That's
Hooray
right.
for Hollywood! Da, la, 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 Hollywood! We've even got an Oscar.
We've got decorations. We are ready to go.
Guys, is that what you're wearing?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, to be honest,
Yeah.
I feel like it's not really Oscar worthy. You're right, Dawn.
We need to like a magical changey thingy.
Okay, let's do it.
Ta-ding!
Oh, hello.
Look at us.
This is better. Well, mine I think's better, but I feel like you could do a little bit better.
Oh, for goodness
Come on,
sake.
keep going. Oh,
That's better.
That's better. And now we are ready. And what are we doing today, Dom?
We are going to do a gorgeous champagne cocktail because every single time one of the people that you think is going to win wins, you need to drink champagne.
That's true. But you do know that I've been watching the Oscars since I was 11 in a ball gown in bed with a cup of tea at night. If I did that, I'd be absolutely smashed.
Yeah, that's true. But, you know, we'll go with it. We'll go with it. And we've got some gold leaf and some strawberries. It's going to be gorgeous. And then, obviously, to go with it...
Yes, we have invented something new.
We have. Because what do you eat when you watch the movies? You eat
Popcorn. But
nachos.
Nachos, little snacks. We're combining the two. We're calling them popchos. And they're going to be delicious. So, let's go with the champagne cocktail. This is so quick and easy, isn't it?
It's unbelievably easy. We are going to make a kind of strawberry coulis.
That's exactly what it is. I like the way you said it. Coulis.
Coulis. We're going to just put, I mean, it just seriously couldn't be easier. We're going to save one of these for a little bit of garnish afterwards.
Get ready for that. But we're chucking in loads of strawberries, basically, into the blender. Now, again, this can be made in bulk if you've got friends coming round to watch the Oscars or if you've just got, you know, friends coming round. Just make a jug of it. You can absolutely make a jug of this. Okay, whiz it up. Lovely.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, then we're going to open the champs. I mean, look at that.
That is incredible.
Smells good. Show the camera. Look at that. Look at the colour of it. It's just
That is
beautiful.
just gorgeous.
And then we are going to open the champagne. Any
Lovely.
champagne will do. That smells so good.
Really, basically, I'm literally just cutting strawberry.
Hold on. Ready for the best sound in the world?
Woo!
Chris Dawn, you could be a bit more enthusiastic. Thanks so much. Thanks.
Right,
so,
what have we got here is some edible
hold on, I think it's edible. No, it is, I'm joking.
edible gold leaf.
I just literally got this off Amazon, but I think you can get it in like supermarkets. So hold on, show everyone what you're doing.
I'm literally just applying it to the strawberry and it's quite rough and ready, like it doesn't need to be too fancy. Even you could do it, Lisa.
Oh my God, really? You don't have to be an actual artist, which is what I am. I can do it, thanks Dom. So I'm just gonna show you a bit slow because I feel like Dom rushed that. Here we go, here's your strawberry. You've got your edible gold leaf. You press it onto it, and because it's slightly wet anyway, it just attaches to it, doesn't it?
Perfect.
And then that is it. I mean, it just elevates a strawberry.
It does, and you don't want it perfect. You kind of want it to look a little bit mottled and how gorgeous
That
is
is Oscar worthy. Then do you reckon we put the strawberry in first? I do.
I reckon, yeah.
So into my very fancy glasses, home scent special, just a little spoonful.
With your gold spoon.
Here we go. So a spoonful of that into the bottom. I feel like this is going to be another favourite cocktail of
Yeah,
mine.
like look how beautiful this is already.
Then champagne.
Right, now there's quite a bit of sugar in there, so it's going to go bubbly, bubbly, bubbly.
Well, what do I do then?
Just drink it.
Do it slow?
Yeah, do it slow.
Okay, then I'll come back to that, shall I?
Yeah.
Do you ever do that thing where you put your finger on it? Does that stop? Anyone tried that? You put your finger on the bubbles,
your tongue in
down. Do you, what do you think is going to win, Elvis?
No, Elvis might win Best Actor. Well, not Elvis, he's dead, but you know, the guy that played Elvis.
Yeah, Austin.
So yeah,
Fraser.
there's-
Oh God, see? Oh, look at this!
yeah, but it's like a champagne
the fountain!
fountain thing. The Oscar for the best champagne pourer tonight goes to, drumroll please, Miss
Thanks, Dawn.
Miss Lisa Potter-Dixon.
Thank you so much, honestly. Of all the awards.
Da, 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 da. You know how they always put the music on to get people off quicker?
Okay, come on then, chuck your strawberry on. They look gorgeous, and we're calling it, why do we not think of a name beforehand?
Yeah.
We're calling it the Academy Award of Cocktails.
Absolutely.
There we go. Right, guys, are you going to come and have a mouthful? Can I have a little taste of this baby?
Cheers.
Cheers. Have a taste.
Oh, that's good.
So now we're going to move on to the popchos.
Popchos!
This is so good, it's so easy, it's so delicious, and it's woo, popchos!
Do you know, I'm so proud of you for inventing the word popchos. It's incredible. She essentially took the word popcorn and nachos and smushed them together. We're doing a lot of smushing.
To create a brand, maybe, probably not. Anyway, so easy, Dom, right?
Right, yeah. So we're going to start with the tortillas. We're going to do half of a bag of tortillas on the bottom.
Yeah, and then we're going to do some layer of popcorn. Now, well, we're going to add a bit of popcorn to this layer. So I've got sweet as well as salty, because I thought, oh, that's crazy, but could possibly work. Mix a bit of sweet in there.
Yeah, sweet and salty. Yeah, maybe you're right.
I usually am. So I'm going to put a bit of the popcorn over the top of the nachos.
Nice.
And then
just go for it. Yeah, then we've got 2 types of cheese. We have got mozzarella.
And a lot of mature cheddar. This is what the whole square looks like, if you wondered, grated. So shall I just do it?
Yeah, go crazy.
Right.
Not all of it, obviously.
I mean, that'd be ridiculous.
And then we want to spice things up a little bit. So I'm thinking just like a pinch of chili. We've got some fresh chili.
You can do that, because I'll definitely rub myself in the eye.
Oh, you idiot. Okay, second layer.
Next layer, guys, I told you, there's a lot of work that goes into this.
It's kind of more like building than cooking, isn't it?
It really is.
I think just go for it.
I think we just chuck
Yeah,
them
just go
on.
for it. I don't think we're going to get more than 2 layers.
I mean, no.
And then some more popcorn.
Yep.
I mean, what if this is disgusting?
What if it... Yeah, I'm not going to tell you guys. I wasn't going to tell you, but Dom's kind of giving it away. We've never actually made this. So...
Yeah, but come on, hold on a second. Like, what could go wrong? It's a bit like when Joey ate the lasagna trifle.
Oh, yeah.
Like the shepherd's pie trifle. Like, what is wrong? Like, nachos, good. Popcorn, good. Cheese, good. Like, it's all gonna be good, right?
Exactly.
More cheese.
More cheese. Dawn, are you just laughing at us? You've got to eat this in a minute.
This is gonna be so good. And it's healthy as well. Right, and then that literally...
It's literally...
Listen, some of the... some of the ugliest things come out looking beautiful. As well, you know. No, I mean like you're a makeup artist. Yeah? That transformation is your thing.
Right, we're putting it in the oven until it's, I don't know, melted. So we'll be back in a second to make some guacamole.
I've always wanted to be a star. The way that they span and changed into those outfits, I want my chance. I want my Oscar. Look at me. Oh my God, I'm such a beauty. Oh, hi everyone. Hi.
Who are you wearing?
Who are you wearing? Extra mature cheddar. A lot of it.
Okay, we're going to make a couple of things to go with our gorgeous popchos, and the first thing is a guacamole. Now, I like quite a chunky guacamole.
Same.
Yeah, I don't like it too blended. I've got one of the world's hardest, unripest avocados, which I'm going to chop. I've got 2 here. I don't think we need to go.
I also like the way that we've kind of pre-done everything like we are on the professional cooking
Yeah,
show.
well, I mean, no one needs to see us chop onions.
No, it's true. It's true.
You know, you can make this in food processor if you want it to be really smooth. But I think, you know, just a fork and a little bit of elbow grease and some chunky vegetables is more than enough, I reckon. Also, it goes really nicely on a spoon of popcho, I find.
That thing we're about to make, but we've never tasted. Okay, go on, Greek yogurt. I always put Greek yogurt in mine.
Just a little bit.
Just a bit. Ooh, just a little bit.
And
Thanks, Dawn. Thanks,
a
Dawn.
little bit of
Red onion.
Red onion.
Not white, red.
What are these?
Tomatoes.
Oh, I just couldn't remember because they're so hard to get in this country. And some chili.
Yep, and some salt and pepper.
Some salt and pepper, and then finally...
Coriander.
Oh, loads
Can I
of
just say, I feel so sad for people that think coriander tastes like soap. This is looking good. I'm feeling like this bowl isn't going to be big enough, Dom. It's pretty full.
Yeah, but, you know...
Oh, well.
We'll make it work.
Some of the best olive oil. This is the Citadelli olive oil, and it's gorgeous.
Guacamole? Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Guac. It saves you the
effort.
word.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
Lovely.
Okay, so
Right.
that's it, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All we're going to do is like a pico de gallo. Just going to take the tomato.
What, a pico de what? Who?
Pico de gallo.
Pikachu.
Pico de gallo. It is.
Oh, that means like spicy cock. It does.
What? Well, it isn't got chilli in it, pico de gallo. It's just tomatoes and onions and lime, I think.
Oh yeah, and olive oil.
Exactly.
Olive di olio.
Oh my god.
Do you think like if they looked back at all the episodes, they could work out which one out of the 3 that we film in a day is the one that is like...
Last,
yeah.
100%. I'm just mixing it with my finger. That'll do.
finger-
No, you don't put that much in.
Why?
Because it's just supposed to be like a tomato sauce. You've literally drowned it. Put my hand on it and
It's good for your skin.
It's good for your skin.
Yeah.
You said it. Oh, guys, I think
Right.
it's time to get the popchos. I think it's time to get the popchos out of the oven. Let's have a look. It's ready. The popchos. The world's first popchos.
That is beautiful.
Bubbling hot cheese popchos.
I didn't know what else to say.
No one's going to give me an Oscar. I thought I'd just award myself this one. And I'd like to thank my friends and family, and most of all...
Anyway, next up, we are actually going to put our popchos into popcorn holders because that makes sense, doesn't it? And then we are going to put guacamole and all sorts on them.
Oh, I love it.
Got to be generous as well. No messing around. I hate it when you don't get enough.
Yeah. Oh, that's the string. Wait,
Oh,
like that?
oh God.
I'm sorry.
We've invented something like proper here.
Trademarked, FYI, don't any companies be trying to make popchos and sell them because it is a mouthful special. Right, on that note, do you guys want to have a mouthful?
Come on,
Come on,
Donnie.
and Chris.
Definitely.
God, look at this. And honestly, just so great to serve. Imagine giving this to your friends. They would love it. Right, there you go. Chris is coming. Make sure you get a bit of popcorn as well.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Oh,
cheers,
nice.
cheers.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Popchos. Right. How is it?
And you know, the popcorn, sweet and savoury, is so good. We should win this together.
Okay.
Oh,
That
sorry.
is really good.
Yeah, delicious.
Have I got something there, Dawn?
I mean, nobody can see that.
No,
so
it's
that's-
fine.
Saving it for
Yeah.
later.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll have something over your face.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, let us know if you make some popchos for yourself, and obviously our beautiful strawberry champagne cocktail too. Dom's got his mouth full, literally. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.